Magic 89.9.
Hey June with a song called Sabihin Mo Lang. And I have to tell you guys, I am not alone in the booth. Nope, I do not have ghosts here. It's not me alone, but I have a special guest for today. And no other than Ina Bautista. What's up?
Hello po. Hello everyone.
Okay, yeah. How are you feeling in this very hot March?
Oh, grabe. Sobrang nakakaantok pag gantong oras. Pero I hope everyone's having a good time and magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, Ina is known as like a TikTok is it a TikTok cover artist? Basta a singer?
Content creator and live streamer po.
Oh, yun, haba, no? CCLS. Okay, CCLS. And I noticed that you have a lot of sweet food themed going around, no? From fan base to your songs. And we'll dive more into that. And I wanted to ask you lang before we start, what is the mood for today for you? Kasi today's a special day, right?
Yes, today we're having po our anniversary. Honey's anniversary, guys. Today po, nag-start ako nung 2022. Nag-start ako na gawin to. Nag-start ako na i-pursue yung music. That's why it's a very special day.
I wanted to ask, like, what prompted you to start it noong 2022? Because 2022 was like, alam mo yung that time was like sobrang magulo. Ang daming CQ. Parang ano ba, hybrid pa ba? May COVID pa ba? Ganyan?
Actually, yun po yung nag-joke sa akin talaga. Kasi parang kailangan may gawin eh, di ba? Parang pandemic, lahat nasa bahay. Tapos parang kailangan may gawin ka.
Oh, parang stagnant eh, di ba?
Kailangan may ganap sa buhay mo.
Anything that to just make you feel like something's going, something's happening, right?
Yes po.
So you've made a lot of covers, I think, for the past 4 years. And on the top of your head, which among those many covers do you think is like your favorite, your go-to song?
Go-to song?
Na cover. Oh, cover.
For sure po, Multo. Multo.
By ano?
Yes,
by Cup of Joe?
Cup of Joe.
Classic. Classic. Parang 2 years ago siya na-release. Okay, yeah. It's a lot of, it's very fitting as well because Multo boomed on TikTok. It wasn't even the single that they were promoting talaga, di ba?
Oh,
and then you did a cover on it. Sige nga, kung favorite mo yon, bakit? Meron ba tong hugot or something?
Wala naman po.
You just
pero
love
kasi,
it.
nung kinover ko po yung Multo, parang sobrang daming tao na naingganya namin sa live stream and sa content creation. So, nag-trend po siya. Nag-trend yung covers. And gumawa ako ng guitar tutorial din nun.
Oh.
So, nag-trend din. And doon nag-start na nagpo-post na kami sa Facebook. Parang hindi pa kami active sa Facebook.
Yeah.
Noon nag-start kami ng mga ganon, yung Multo, doon siya nag-boom. So, dumami rin yung sa Facebook namin. Kaya sobrang memorable ng Multo cover.
Oh, ang dami pala niyang pinagdaanan. Literally.
Ang dami niyang nahugot.
Oh, ang dami niyang nahugot. Okay, walk me down through it. For those listening on air, also on Facebook Live, we're live on Facebook. That is Magic 899. What is it specifically that you do as a content creator and live streamer?
I do acoustic covers po talaga nung una. Tapos, nag-livestream kami. Tumatanggap kami ng song request from viewers. And tatry namin gawa ng acoustic version. Tapos, yan, naging singer-songwriter na rin po.
Do you remember yung first live stream mo ever on
yes
TikTok?
Yes po, kasi anniversary po na yun eh. March 30 po, 2022, nag-start ako mag-live. Like, mga madaling araw, 4 a.m., mga ganun po.
On a whim ka lang nag-decide na parang, you know what? I'll do this.
No, inantay ko po siyang mag 1K followers. Before kasi sa TikTok, bawal ka mag-live kapag di ka pa naka 1K followers.
Or mag-ano ka, di ba, parang a minimum of like something hours na tuloy-tuloy,
no, hindi
diba?
naman yung hours, pero yung followers mo, dapat 1K.
1,000,
Tapos, parang nasa 999 na yun. Nag-ready na ako.
Ready ko na pumindot. Parang isang account na lang.
Isa na lang magla-live na ako. Nintay ko po talaga siya. Tapos, nung pag 1K, tinry ko na agad. Hindi ako marunong tumanggap ng songs. As in...
Parang ang gulo pa muna na kasi nagsusunod-sunod eh, no?
Ang nakakahilo yung comments. Pero ano lang kami nun sa live, mga 20 lang. Pero nakakahilo na siya. Kasi first time ko siya ginawa. Pero super memorable. Super memorable nun.
Okay, from making covers into now releasing your own music, of course, not only performed by you, but also written by you. I wanted to ask first about your first song, no? Champurado. It's a rice meal. Technically, di ba? Rice meal na rin siya. Pero wala namang silog na champurado eh. I wanted to ask, like, why specifically champurado? And Yeah, bakit nga champorado?
Since I'm a content creator nga po, nagtitrend yung champorada dati. Nung 2024, nagtrend yung sa may Antipolo. Yung pa-dome na champorada.
Oo,
Tas-
yung lalagyan mo ng hot milk,
Yes,
tapos magbabasag yung
Babasag po, di ba? Super trending
Sa
po yun.
Antipolo pala yun?
Opo, sa Antipolo.
Malapit lang pala. Okay.
Actually, hindi ko alam na sa Antipolo din yun. Pero nagtitrend siya. So, kailangan, as a content creator, kailangan mo sumabay.
Yeah, keep it up with the trends. You know what to post
And-
while it's hot, gano'n.
Yes po, di ba kahit food, kahit music, kailangan isasabay mo doon. So, ang inisip ko lang noon, gagawa lang ako ng kalokohan na magkakompose na ako ng verse or ganyan. Nabuo na po ng buong song eh. Tapos, sinend ko po dun sa kakilala namin na producer din. That's Bauhaus Music po. Sila po yung nag-produce ng Champorado. And yan, nagustuhan po nila. Sabi nila, produce na lang daw po.
Oo,
Tapos-
sarap daw. Sarap.
Masarap na.
Ito yung time na diba? Tama, ito yung time na nagbo-boom yung, ewan ko maalala mo to yung Siomai Rice remix, tsaka yung C2 na...
C2 na red.
Oo, so I was like, baka puro gutom tayo lahat today.
Ito lahat. Ngayon pa, malunggay pandesal na eh.
So yun pala siya, it was born out of like a trend, kalokohan, but did it have like a certain hugot or...
Wala naman po.
Talagang dun lang
Wala
siya.
naman pa. Parang ano lang po yan. Super inactive ko lang din sa music noon, content creation and live stream. Tapos sobrang nandun yung drive and yung pagka-miss ko sa music habang gumagawa ko ng schoolworks noon.
Okay.
Talagang yung melody ng Champorado tumatakbo sa utak ko kahit hindi ko alam. Tapos sabi ko parang grabe yung ano noon, yung LSS ko
Effect,
noon. Kailangan ko na siyang isulat. Tapos
Kailangan siya makawala sa sistema mo.
siya
No?
makawala.
Okay, sige. And then itong next song mo, your latest released, back in November ba? November
29.
Oo. This one is a different road na. This was a different route, right? This one is more hugot na talaga siya. So walk me down through it. What was your thought process going into it?
Hopya po is based from experience. Yun na nag-start na ako humugot talaga. Pero ayun, since it's a song about you having a crush on someone and you hope that person likes you back, ganyan. Parang alam mo yung slang.
Your song ba to?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
Pero since hopya, yung millennial term siya eh, hopya, nauso siya na slang na parang ang kinanggalingan niya ay hope. Parang umasa ka, hopya ka na naman, mga ganun. Basta it's a slang.
Sorry, Gen Z.
Kaya nga eh. Pero ano siya, slang siya dati na parang pag umasa ka, humopya ka. That's why yun po yung title ng
Okay.
song.
Oh, okay. So talagang dun pala siya based. And I like it na yung pinaghuhugutan mo is still based on like ano yung nauso pa rin na, diba? Like since you know na these are words that millennials use a lot, ginamit mo pa rin siya to get that backing. Okay, you know what? Before we start on with your performance, yung songwriting mo, very grounded siya, very relatable, not only with trends but also with your personal experiences. And I wanted to ask, like, do you feel pressure ba na baka ito yung direction mo lang maging either, ano tawag doon, parang hugot siya or sounding hugot, or are you trying to experiment into a different sound?
Yes
ba?
po. Ngayon po, tinatry kong magsulat ng mas may hugot, ng may depth na song. And mahilig ako mag-conceptualize ng songs din from concept. So ngayon, parang meron kaming ginawa lang din sa live stream, yung parang yung paro-paro. That's the title siguro. Paro-paro. Yung mga butterfly daw, hindi nila alam kung gaano sila kaganda. So, ang nakakita lang ng kagandahan nila ay ibang tao. So, parang ganun yung thought nung song na if kaya ko lang ipairam sa'yo or yung ipairam sa'yo yung mata ko.
You see what I see, ganyan.
Ganon. So, parang mga ganon na po ngayon yung mga sinusulat ko mas malalim. Ganon. Kasi yung mga nauna, nag-start sa trend, tapos nag-start na ako humugot. I think nag-i-improve naman po. Hopefully.
Yeah, ngayon, hope ya.
Hope ya.
Ngayon it's like giving hope for other people in a way that makes them see na there's beauty pa rin even they feel so, alam mo yung moments na parang insecure tayo, ganyan, parang yucky ganyan, pero hindi naman pala all the time because a lot of...
Hindi mo lang nakikita
Hindi mo lang nakikita, exactly. Sige, uy, nakaka-excite yun na. Sige nga. Okay, one last question before I let you perform. Since it is officially init season, like wala na nga daw ang amihan. The term used was terminated na daw ang amihan season. I wanted to know like what is your perfect ano ba to? Perfect food. Kasi puro food team na eh. What is your go-to food for this hot summer season?
Siyempre, halo-halo.
Ayan na ang next song title.
Halo-halo. Yun na. Actually, nagsunod kami ng
Ay,
halo-halo.
oh, di ba?
Ano siya, tungkol sa mixed signals. Kaya that's why halo-halo.
okay.
Parang minsan sobrang tamis, sobrang sweet niya
Oo.
sa'yo. Pero ang lamig din niya minsan, ganun. That's why it's halo-halo.
Okay.
Mixed signals.
Kung magkakaipi ka, ano ang title nito? Buffet. Full course meal.
Ano, yung dessert, ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos yung gig poster is menu.
Ready na siya.
Ready na.
Speaking of gigs, ayan pala.
Yeah,
Sige.
may gig on April 12, guys. Sunday. It's a Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Sunday sa Jess and Pats po. It's a community gathering. So, parang giving back lang to the community din. Gusto kong mag-perform na makita nila ako ng live. And ayun.
Like not only through a screen, no? Like live
live
talaga.
lang. And gusto sana po makapunta sila. And makapag-meet din sila. Kasi parang ngayon lang din sila magkikita-kita. First ever po namin to eh. First ever community
And
gathering.
it's with you. Oh,
Yes.
that's nice. That's sweet. Okay. Well, meron pa ba? Well, ayan, without further ado, guys, we have Ina Bautista in the booth performing her song, Champorado, here on today's Best Music Magic 89.9.
Tara na sa Antipolo, kumain tayong champorado. Sagot ka ng pamasahe mo, sagutin mo rin kaya ako. Alam mo bang papunta rito, kakaliwa ka lang tapos kanan, tapos diretso sa puso ko. Pwede rin kitang hatid sundo. Baka sakali lang naman, di ko naman pagpipilitan, pero baka pwede mong pagbigyan ang champorado. Na sa'yo ay sigurado, hindi siya pao pero sobrang asado. Sana ay pasado sa'yo. Yung tsokolate na makrema, paborito mo ay paborito rin kita. At kung mahilig ka sa matamis, abay sumubok ka na sa'kin, please. Sweet. Baka sakali lang naman, di ko naman pagpipilitan, pero baka pwede mong pagbigyan ang champorado. Na sa'yo ay sigurado, hindi siya pao pero sobrang asado. Para sa'kin, di ka matatalo. Kung susugal ka lang naman, edi sa'kin na may tsamporado ka pa. Sana ay pasado sa'yo. Ako pa ay pasado sa'yo. Tsamporado pa'y pasado sa'yo.
Is it really March? Kasi giniginaw ako sa sobrang lamig ng boses. Ang ganda. That was Ina Bautista, guys, here on the Magic
so
Booth.
much.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, grabe. I can't believe that was born out of like, dahil lang kalokohan lang. Kasi parang hindi siya kalokohan eh. Parang niloloko mo ako But thank you so much, Ina. Before I let you go, now is the time for you to promote anything, do some shout-outs. Yes, the floor is yours.
Ayun po, again, magkakaroon kami ng gig on April 12. It's a Sunday, pero kahit Sunday, sana po makapunta kayo. And sa Just and Pats po yun, ang ticket ay 300 pesos pre-register, 350 pag walk-in. Tinry talaga namin murahan yung ticket kasi gusto namin makapunta lahat.
Oo.
And ayun po, wala kayong ibang gagawin kundi makinig lang. Marami pong, I think may mga pa-games din doon para lang din sa community. And it's our first ever community gathering, so I hope makapunta po kayo.
The first of many talaga. Well, thank you so much. You guys can follow Ina. That is at Ina.Bautista with, well, sa ending 3 A's.
3 A's.
Kasi syempre may A pa sa simula, di ba? And of course, stream her music, Champorado, and her newest one, Hopia. Thank you so much,
Thank
Ina.
you so much
Well, we'll
po.
get back to more of the music coming your way. The Magic #1 in our Magic Pop 30. Bruno Mars with a song called I Just Might here on today's Best Music. We're Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.